Good morning, everyone. Here we are back at Lock Shop 101. I just wanted to do this quickly because it might take a little long. But this is the lock we took apart yesterday. And this is a problem we were having. When you turn the handle inside, see the latch stays in. So that's not safe anymore. But on this side, we took out the cylinder and the combination does still work. So we're going to put the number in. The light flashes and it opens. After 5 seconds, it'll relock. So now with the cylinder removed, basically what happens is this little tail piece in the back turns, I don't know if you can see it in there, it turns that little slot, the little slot in there, it turns it. See the little slot? So right now it's not locking. We're going to take a screwdriver, which will be the tail piece on that key. We're going to stick it in there. We turned it 180 degrees, which is what the key would do. And now it'll work. We flip it back. Like that. And it won't work. Put the code. See? So that's this. This is done. Put this for parts. This is the cylinder that was in there. This is the tailpiece that turns this thing. And we currently don't have a working key for it. This key doesn't work. We're going to make this key work in this lock. It's an original Schlage key. All original. So now just to show you guys what happens when you put a key in a cylinder, this key works this cylinder. So we're going to remove this using a plug follower. We're going to turn it a little bit. Put this back here. Put this back here like so. And gradually push through. There's pins and springs inside here. These are the pins that go up and down when you put the key. These pins become flush and they allow the plug to turn in the shell. Now what happens is, when you put the wrong key in the cylinder, they don't line up. Some are higher, some are lower. See? Well, actually, these are very lower. If you put another wrong key in there, see how some are higher? It won't allow it to turn in the shell unless you have the right key. So now we're going to put this back together again where it came from. Yeah? That's what makes a key work, those pins. You always got to hold this together, or you're going to hear it lock into place. Hear it? Now we take the correct key, and it's working. You take the incorrect key, and it's not working. We're going to put this back together again. Many times, you could open a cylinder like this. If you have a cylinder like this, and you don't have the key, don't throw it out. Don't throw it out, because you can always reuse these. We're going to repin this one for a working key to work with this lock again. The way we're going to do that is we're going to remove the tailpiece. Let's see if I can get over here. You can, with this tool, now in here, there's a pin and a spring. Yeah, you can't lose that. There's a little pin, spring, and here's a little pin that go in there. This we're going to put over here to the side. Using now you can open this easily with a shim and a pin and a blank key. You could pick it open. Either way, I'm going to use the shim and the blank key. Cylinder shim, a very thin piece of curved metal. It's going to go in the back of the cylinder. Like that. Then we're going to take a blank key and walk the key through the cylinder. I got 2 of them. Three of them. 4 of them. Plug ain't turning yet. One more. You see what's happening? The shim is pushing up the pins as the blank key pulls it through. There's one more. We'll get it. I got the key to turn in the plug. See? It's not straight anymore. The key is turning now, the blank key. So now this cylinder, we could rekey it. We're going to take the shim out. turn this a little bit like that. Put the follower like we did in the other one. Let's see if I can line this up. And gradually, very gradually, push this through. So there we have the empty shell. And the plug for rekeying. Now, just to show you why the other key wasn't working, this is the key we're going to rekey it to. This one. I'm going to stick it in there. You could see the pins are higher, and that's why it wasn't rotating in the shell. Now we're going to repin it and come back later. Thanks for watching.